Hello everyone! In today's video, we will talk about how to preheat Kitmens oven and what to do after each usage. First, study your recipe and start to prepare your ingredients. Always remember to preheat your oven for at least 10 minutes. If your recipe requires 20 minutes of baking time, you may set 30 minutes to include the 10 minutes preheat time. Ensure your ingredients is ready before the preheating is complete. After the 3 beeps, the timer will start counting down. Wait until the timer changes from 30 minutes to 20 minutes for a complete preheating process. Open the door and put in your food quickly to minimize heat loss. Avoid opening the ovens during the whole baking process. After finished baking and when the oven is still warm, prepare a wet cloth for cleaning. Gently wipe off the dirt on the inner wall of oven. Avoid using strong or acidic detergent. It will oxidize the galvanized metal sheet and the process is irreversible. Do not wipe the emerald heating element. It is coated with a layer of grease to prolong its shelf life. Lastly, remember to long press the Start-Stop button to turn off the oven's display before switching off the main plug.